Problem 3 is you never speaking to your friends, your family, your coworkers, those you hang around about what you're trying to do, changing your life, changing your career, and getting started with EMS as an EMT. What you need to do before entering class is sit down and understand you're entering a training camp. You're entering a time in your life where you need to sit down and focus, right? I changed my life at 19 becoming an EMT. I was scatterbrained before getting into EMS. It gave me focus. It changed my life. It really did. Now, the solution here is thinking of this course like a training camp. This is your time. And you need to tell friends, family, and coworkers to step aside for a few weeks, for a few months. You may need to not go out as much. You may need to not do as many phone calls. It's going to be a very hectic time for you in a good way. You're going to be busy, something new, but you need that time to focus to get your study plan done.